Hey, good day everyone. I've got this transformable desk lamp here with swing arm for an unboxing and review. What the nice thing here, this will clamp right to your desk. I'm going to clamp it to this one. And right here down by the base, that's where this plugs in at right here. Another cool thing to show you about this light, look, it folds out like that and like that. This thing's great. It's nice and bright, and look, it'll go way up high too. You can get it way up there. You know, you can change it to white light too. So I just push that M button there. See, and even like a cool blue light. Oh yeah, that's nice too. All right, now to change the light shades on this, you just press this M button. Just kind of walk through them here. All right, you guys, thank you for watching.